Let's look at factorization, where we are factorizing an expression known as difference of two squares. This is the simplest of them all. The two parts of the expression are all perfect squares. For us to understand this, let's go into detail. X squared minus 4. X squared is a perfect square. What do we mean by a perfect square? A perfect square is a result of two identical numbers multiplying themselves. In other words, if two identical numbers or two identical letters multiply, the answer that you get is a perfect square. So x squared is a perfect square because two letters that multiply themselves is x times x, we get x squared. And then 4 is also a perfect square because two numbers which are identical, when they multiply, they will give us a 4, and the number is 2. So this expression can be rewritten as x squared minus. Since we said 4 is a perfect square, what is the square root of a 4? The square root of a 4 is 2. In other words, 2 and another 2, when they multiply, we get a 4. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. And then we open our two brackets. Here we have x squared, 2 x's here. We split our x's, another x here, and another one there. Then we go to this 2 to the power 2. We again split our 2's. We put another 2 here and another one here. This difference of two squares, it simply means we use all the signs, a negative and a positive. It does not matter which one you start with. So write plus 2 and here a negative 2. This is our answer. Let's repeat the same process on part D. X squared minus 49. We need to factorize this. This can be rewritten as x squared. 49 is a perfect square. There are two numbers which, when multiply themselves, we get 49. And what are the numbers? Obvious, the number is 7 times 7. Or a shorter method is, what is the square root of 49? The square root is a 7. So we can write 49 as 7 to the power 2. Remember, 7 to the power 2 will still give us 49. We just want to simplify things. Then we go and open our two brackets. X squared means we have two x's here. We write another x here, another one here. We're done. And the same for the numbers. 7 squared. We have 7. We have two 7's here. We write another 7 here. Put another one here. And then we write our two different signs, negative and a positive. Difference of two squares is simple. Then there's another particular type which is hidden. You have to work it out. Part G, 2x squared minus 50. On this one, first of all, you check these numbers. There's a highest common factor which can get into 2 and also into 50 without leaving a remainder. That number is 2. So we'll divide the expression by 2. 2 into 2x squared, we get x squared minus 2 into 50, we get 25. And then we have a 2 here. As you can see, x squared here is a perfect square. Then 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. Just like what we did there. We don't leave our 2. We open and close our two brackets. We have an x squared there. We write an x here, another x here. Then we have 5 squared. We have two 5's. Take another 5 here. I write another one. Then we write our different signs. This is the answer. So difference of two squares should be easy for anyone. Thank you very much. Have a good day.